What's going on, guys? So you might know where we are based on the last video. We're back at this little creek. We got a bigger rod this time. We got a spinnerbait tied on there right now. But we did come with some special stuff. We come with some worms for that trout. We have other lures in my pocket right here. And yeah, we're gonna fish the same part we fished last time, all down there. When we get to that trout spot, I'm gonna put on a little hook and worms. See if we can catch them. If we can catch them, that'd be awesome. So yeah, set the camera on. Grab the rod. We're using just, I think this is a 2. Yeah, 2 spinner, bronze color. We got a leader on here. We have braid, mono leader with braid line. We put the mono leader on there just because of the trout. They don't really like braid. They might get spooked, you know. I'm not sure what this rod is and stuff. Got one. First cast, guys. Didn't mean it's a decent one. What is that? Smallie. You know what? Yes, sir, baby. Again, same spot. First cast again. Caught us another one. Right there. Nice little guy, nice little grease on there. There he goes. My line looks to be messing up. I'm gonna pause my video for a second, but we're good. This reel kinda handle on this reel is not the side I like, so I'm not really used to it, but we'll be good. And that's in the rocks, but that's alright. I'm not sure what happened there, but like I was saying, this reel, the reel is on the, like the reel part is on a different side that I don't like, and I can't switch it, so that's gonna be kind of bad. Right there, a little smaller. Chase my bait. We're gonna start walking down. I think we're gonna grab worms first. Out here. Got one. There we go. First cast in this hole, we got another one. That seems like something that happens. Like normally, all these holes, you go first cast and catch a fish. Maybe. Oh, there he is. Oh, you guys might have saw him. He just popped out of my hands. Cast. So reloading. following up on where the trout is. This is about to be crazy. You can catch this trout. This will be probably my biggest or second biggest trout I've landed. If we're counting just hooked, it's just not even near. But landed, if I land this trout, this will be like my biggest or my second biggest trout ever. So let's lock in. Try to catch this thing. Right up here is what he is. Hopefully he's still here. If he's not here, I'm not sure what to do. I'm gonna stay back while I get my hook tied on. Okay. Put the worms down. The water seems way more clear than last time. Okay, there goes the spinner off. Toss that right down there. Gotta grab the hooks now. We have multiple different sizes. Just whatever size seems good to be able to hook them. Keep that size back. This size out. Water seems lower than last time we were here. It's not the day after, it's like a couple days after I filmed that one video. You guys will see when I post it today. Little hook, put that down. Tie this up. And we can keep the worm tied on, because if we don't catch them, because I know these smallies and sunnies and brock bass and stuff that's in here will bite the worms also. And I see a nice smallmouth, 2 nice ones. Wow, that one's actually really big. Not really big, but for this creek, like the size of the one that I caught last time. Decent size. Here we go. We can come back for them spinners and stuff later. The worm's tied on now. Gonna cut him out. Put him on. Okay, here we go. Gotta get a nice piece of worm. They normally like trout worms, which are like little red worms, but hopefully an earthworm will work. It should. Cut it off right there. I'm gonna wash my hand off. It'll be good to go. Okay, here we go, guys. Trying to catch the trout. Try to be quiet just so we don't spook them. Last time we didn't spook them and I didn't even know they was here, so. I looked where I first saw him last time. Hopefully he's still here. Oh my god, I see him. Oh my god. That cast was a bad cast. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My reel's coming off. What the hell? He's right in front of me. I can see him. He's a nice fish. He's probably 12 inches. Maybe a little less. Make it real quick where you can't see my hook. Maybe he's super stingy, you know? Let me get right in front of his face. Oh my god, guys. It just hit his nose. It seriously just hit his nose. See, I don't know if he's gonna bite if it just hit him in the face and he didn't even react to it. Maybe we can come back and catch him. I don't know, but we're gonna cast in here. I can see fish right up here. That looks like two nice fish. Two nice little cast out there. Oh, right there. Got him. Where's that little smallie? Let's go. Can't catch that trout, so we're gonna catch this smallie. I mean, biggest one of the day, or maybe same size as the first one. Wow, there's a nice one down there. Water is so much clearer today. Oh, there's a nice one down there. Oh, I'm definitely gonna try to catch him. This hook will come out, like, Jesus. There we go. Another little guy. One just hit topwater out there. Oh my god. They're out there hitting topwater right now. It's awesome. I'm gonna cast out where I see these fish that are really aggressive. That one. Sweet. Another little smallie. Same size as that last one. Can I grab him or what? Is he just gonna flip flop? Ow, he just spined the crap out of me. Ow, bro. Freaking stop. Little rascal. That hurt. Another little smallie. Let me get past that little trout. Okay. Could be a rainbow, but I don't know. It has them white fins on it. Let it sit. Just wait. Just wait. Someone will come up and hit it eventually. Right there. Got him. What is that? Oh, one of them shiner things. Oh my god. No, I mean fall fish things. I think it is a fall fish. Wow, he choked that down. Here, it's alright, buddy. Try to get this hook out. Got the hook out. Look at that little guy. He looks sweet. Okay, stop clapping. Oh god. Okay, there he is. I need to re-worm up. And go back out there for more. This worm needs to stop. This worm's hard. What the hell? Do a little double hook like that. Come around. Another one. And then just let the tail hang off. Okay. Should we try again for that trout? I say we do. Give it one more try. I caught one in here a couple years ago, so let's hope. I want to catch that thing so bad. Yeah, I love catching trout. I barely catch them, but when I do catch them, it's awesome. Just right there in front of his face. Just right there in front of his face. Like, I don't understand you guys. I can't. I'm gonna get in the water here. Maybe that I can get behind him, maybe he'll bite. But no, because that's. Oh, right there. What is that? Don't tell me it's another trout. Do not tell me it's another trout. Just cast it up on him. That's either like a different kind of fish I haven't caught yet, or a trout. Right there it is. That actually seriously might be a trout. I see his top tip of his nose. It's way littler than that one. Oh, he's coming. Got him. Trout. Trout on. Trout on. Rainbow. Rainbow on. Oh my god. Look at that little guy. Nice little trout right there, guys. He's so pretty. Look at the other side of him. Oh, he wants to go, but I need to get a video of him. Look at that guy. Okay. Look at that fish. Let's go, baby. Yes. And there's that brook trout. I'll show you this guy. He's about double the size of him. Nice one. Oh, guys, let's freaking go. We got what we were coming here for. A nice trout. Wasn't the trout that we were coming here for, actually. I just saw a fish, and it didn't look like a smallmouth. It didn't look like them fall fish that we were catching, so I was like, that might be a trout. I casted, like, I didn't even cast on him. I casted, like, a foot in front of him, and he just swam over and just took it up, and I just got him. Right at the bottom window. Perfect hook set, perfect fish. I barely hold temperatures. I see I cast it in there. Just. Oh shoot, there's a fish right there. I can barely see him. Just had one. Wow, this guy is freaking vicious. They're small. Super small. Okay. Come down here. Fish is similar. Oh, I got one. I don't even know. Hopefully he's not gut hooked. Okay, he's not. Thank God. Oh, nice small area up there. Up in the shallows, chasing a little fish. Okay, well, here's one. And there's these smallies do not stop flapping. I don't know why. I don't think they want to be caught. Right there. I've gotten yelled at for coming over here one time, but pretty sure the water's public, so like we should be fine. You know. I'm gonna give it another cast in there. Can't really see them, so I can feel. You know? I might have to get new worm now. Okay, well, we're here. I'm here. Back there's where it's deep in this hole. I might gotta try in there real quick. I'm gonna put my worms down. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna try down there. And we're immediately in the trees because the current's crazy. That's what I don't like is the muddy stuff. That's where the leeches like to hang out. And one thing I don't like is a damn leech. I mean, we could use nice bait, but I prefer not even to get one or the other. I don't like them. But I bet you as long as we just keep walking, we shouldn't be. Super shallow up here. Yeah, everything, they have to swim up this. They probably swim up it as babies. Cause like, there's no way. Like, that one bird trout is swimming up this. I mean, actually, it is probably good, but that's pretty impressive. And right here, it's legit an inch or two of water. their back would be out of the water, something like this. We're just gonna keep walking because Bones right there. Main river's in front of me. Probably see that. Have to say that. Yeah, it's not even shallow. It's not even deep anymore. Don't know what happened. We used to swim right here. Now it's not even an inch damn deep. No, it is. Like, it's like 2 feet, maybe 1 foot. There's dog tracks. People might come out here with their dogs. And I just got mud all over my leg. I know what I'm doing when I get home. Taking a damn shower. Oh. Alrighty guys, so that'll be it for the video. We caught a decent amount of fish. We caught a trout, which I was going there for. I didn't catch the one that I wanted to, but I catch a rainbow, which is still good. So yeah, see ya.